Around our house, I am always looking for a sweet treat that does not include chocolate. For several reasons, Papa cannot have chocolate, so although I do love chocolate, I try to avoid it and make things that he will like. So today, I'm making peanut butter blonde brownies. I love a brownie. Oh, do I love a brownie. But this case, I wanted to have something Papa could enjoy too. So I started with a half a cup of softened butter. Now this was 1 stick of unsalted butter, and that's what I keep. That's what we prefer. You can always add salt, but you can't take it out. So I have that in the mixer, and I'm adding into that 1 cup of an organic peanut butter. Now an organic or all natural peanut butter will be a little creamier and runnier than your typical non-organic peanut butters, but that's okay. It still tastes great. Now I've got those all mixed up, got them creamed together, and to that I'm going to add 2 cups of brown sugar. As soon as I get my act together here. Any minute. Okay, there we go. Now this is a 2-cup measuring cup that I absolutely love. I'm going to pack it down in there. Make sure that we get the full 2 cups. Remember to always pack your brown sugar into your measuring cup. And into the mixer it goes. I've got it turned on, and we're going to mix that up until it's combined pretty well. Now while the mixture's still running, we're going to add 4 eggs, one at a time. And let each one get mixed in a little bit before we add the next. Then we're going to add in about a teaspoon of vanilla. Now this is vanilla that I've made using vodka and vanilla beans and let it set for about a year. And it is so good. To that, we're going to add a 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. And this was a little 1/2 cup. So we got 3 of those going in. We're going to get that all mixed up and then get our pan ready. This pan that I use is a little bit smaller than a 9x13, but it works out great for just Papa and I. Now, if you wanted the brownies a little thinner, you could use a 9x13. This made them pretty thick, just having this smaller pan, but a 9x13 would make them about the thickness of what your typical brownie is. Now we'll get it all scraped off of our paddle here because we certainly don't want to miss any. I wonder if you sprayed the paddle if it would come off easier. Might have to try that sometime. Alright, gotta have something to lay it on. That's where I keep my little paper plates. So I'll lay that down so I don't get it all over the cabinet because I would. Scrape it off the bottom. Fight with the bowl to get it off the mixing stand, and into the baking dish it goes. I'm going to spread it out evenly across the pan, and then we're going to put it in a 350-degree oven for about 35 minutes. Now it was tough, but I let it cool for just a few minutes before I cut myself a piece. Made me a cup of coffee. Gonna drizzle some caramel on it. And we're gonna call this breakfast. Thanks for watching. See you next time.